In this clip, we're going to be talking about how to clean around mini dental implants. Now, mini dental implants are a fairly new thing in the dental market, and if your dentist isn't doing these, then go talk to him about it, and he may be able to learn. Now, most of the time, these mini dental implants are used for denture retention. So what we've got here is a model of a lower denture, because those seem to be the trickiest ones. The mini dental implants, you can see kind of here at the bone, are just tiny little titanium screws, basically, or posts that we put down in the jawbone. They heal in and they become anchors for your denture. They've got a little ball on the top of them, and then inside the denture there's a little cap, a little rubber O-ring and cap. Now, it's very important to keep the food and things out of that, to keep it clean. Now, we got a special toothbrush that we use for cleaning these. You can see it looks kind of funny there. It's got these round bristles that kind of wrap around those implants, and then little short ones for cleaning the top. You can kind of make something like this of your own, I guess, if you got creative with your little pair of scissors and some things at home. But be sure you're cleaning good around these little mini implants. You get up inside there and you clean those little brushes. Now, if you have a regular toothbrush with kind of a pointy tip, I find those tend to work better. So you clean those little O-rings out of those caps. Now on to the important stuff, cleaning the implants. With this little brush, you get right down on the top of those implants, and you can see how those bristles just wrap right around that thing, and clean all the junk off of the top of that implant head. And you got to be sure and catch it from a couple of different angles. So you get one and you brush it from several different angles, and make sure those little bristles are wrapping around there. When you're done, take a good look and make sure you don't have little chunks of food or anything left stuck around those. And be sure you're doing that after every meal if you can, at least twice a day. You don't want to be losing those implants. They'll be really important to you once you've got them.